Hey guys, this is Jana. I was finally popping in my video after owning this amazing RV for 2 months now. It has been quite an adventure. This is footage from before I done anything to it, and I already can tell so much like the difference between how much I've already done to it. Mainly just basically cleaning. But yeah, here's the outside. It is a 2000 Gulf Coast Conquest Class CRV. It is 31 and a half feet long and has a slide out, and it is awesome. I absolutely fell in love with it right from the get go, and I can't wait to show it with you guys. So this adventure began beginning of September. I went with my dad to DeLand, Florida, and we looked at it and I put a deposit on it. But we had to keep it there because they were doing some work on it for the slide out wasn't going out. Eventually, they finally called me and said, "Come get it." So me, my brother, and my dad hopped in, went over to DeLand, Florida, saw that the slide out was working properly, and I purchased it, and we were able to bring it home. This is us waiting to get everything confirmed because of just things. But yeah, I did drive it home when we got to bring it. Here's proof that I was at least behind the wheel for a few minutes. No, actually, I did drive it entirely home. We decided to go back roads because I didn't want to drive through I-4 Orlando. But yeah, here it is back where I'm parking it at my brother's house. Yeah, so it looks great on my end. So let's go inside. Here's a little bit of the floor plan. Um, you know, so already you can see like such dirty carpet and stuff, a little bit of my cleaning supplies. But yeah, it's already been cleaned so much, which I will do another video of it being cleaned, or of me cleaning it and stuff. But yeah, that carpet's filthy. But I like how here's the front. It has storage over the cab instead of a bed because I really don't need an extra bed. Um, because it's just me and my cat. So the cab is nice. It doesn't have working AC right now, but I plan to get that fixed. If not, the windows roll down perfectly, and that works that way. Lots of windows. I particularly love this big front window right at the front, and they took the chair out there, but I plan to put like a desk or something in. No, here's me just yeah, hanging out. Well, anyway, let's go to the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. It has a lot of storage space. I did notice the first time I went camping with it, it doesn't have a lot of counter space, so we'll have to work that out. But overall, I mean, it has a working oven and has lots of cabinets. Here's the microwave and the fridge. Um, and freezer, and has a nice little storage cabinet right next to it. So lots of storage. And yeah, so just a lot of things to be able to store in it, but everything works on that particular, which is great. Um, I don't know if, but where I'm standing right now, there's a piece of plywood, and that is the main issue, is getting the floor fixed because there's a soft spot. A little modeling. I don't know what was going through my mind. Anyway, here is the couch and the dinette. It needs to be redone. Let's just say I don't really care for the fabric, but like, hey, it works for now, and there's always room for improvement. So, but yeah, the both the couch and the dinette fold down into beds, so that is super helpful. And also, there was a little coffee maker right above the dinette, which is very nice because I like coffee. So, um, yeah, it has a lot of storage overhead space. Some more, like I have so much storage. I don't know what to do with it. And also, this is with the slide out. I can do stretches, obviously. Um, a little bit of yoga. But even I like with the slide out in, I can still function with it. Um, still function with the slide out in, like I can get to the front to the back, which is super helpful. Anyway, let's move on. So there is next to a sliding door is a shower, and I like how it's separated shower from the kitchen and the bedroom. So here's the shower. I do eventually want to get rid of this wonderful yellow, but it works for now. Um, yeah, uh, definitely need to upgrade, but that it's not a top priority. It works. It functions just well. Um, yeah, and just needs like a good cleaning, especially that floor there. Oh, pardon me while I use the toilet. Ooh. But as you can see, there's a sliding door. It's nice to separate it. Um, yeah. So I like that the toilet is separate from the rest of the thing. It has a nice little storage area, medicine cabinet, and a sink. This will probably be remodeled first because we are thinking that it is the sink that is made the soft spot on the floor. So that's probably going to have to be fixed. But yeah, I mean, it functions, so that's an important thing. And now to the bedroom. So they had a mattress with a box spring in it, which gave little room to walk around. And so that I took out pretty quickly. It has a lot of storage, especially since it's just me. I have plenty of closet space. I do like on the side of the bed, there is a little cubby hole. So for like a nice alarm clock or AKA my phone. But yeah, it has a nice counters and stuff. It has a lot of windows. I love the 3 windows. It's nice and bright and airy. All the blinds do work. All the windows do open. The blinds are a little worn, so they will be need adjusted. But I mean, yeah, here's the main look of it. Here is the first thing we actually fixed is the sliding doors because it was off its hinges, but I like how it closes and it shuts and gives room separation and stuff between the two. And then there's also this little separator thing so you can separate the bathroom from the bedroom and stuff. Just some little privacy. It's nice. Yeah, so I am very happy with my purchase and I can't wait to see what all happens with it and where I'll go and just like basically I bought my first home, so I'm pretty excited about it. So yeah, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thanks.